at a synthetic fuels manufacturing facility. Two identical platforming heaters were suffering from elevated stack temperatures and less than desirable steam production. Following a detailed evaluation, it was determined that the problem was being caused by fouling in the convection section. Hot convection section cleaning was performed while the fired heaters were in operation. In order to gain access to the convection section fin tubes, a proprietary Hot-Tek hot access creation method was used, with 48 reusable access ports created to facilitate the cleaning. The cleaning was completed while the plant was in full operation, with no disruption to production, using an environmentally friendly service that will not damage fin tubes. This resulted in a decrease in stack temperature of 36 degrees Celsius and an increase in steam production of 0.9 tons per hour. Improved fired heater efficiency and furnace draft, increased processed preheat and steam production, and reduced stack temperature were achieved. Internal rate of return was 31.33%, with a return on investment of 30 days. Contact IGS to evaluate your heaters and quantify potential improvements in efficiency, output, and payback.